Previously on BZ Builds.
So I'm standing underneath the Nissan 240SX that our cameraman saved up his money to buy. Well, his dad decided that it would be safer if he drove it because they just got it and accidentally wiped out, spun out, did a 180, hit one of the wheels on the curb. It just folded the lower control arm, which is exactly what it's going to do. That in itself is not a big deal. Now here's where we run into an issue. Factory wheels, which we've got on the back because the rear tires were slashed, this wheel is damaged too badly to be reused. His best bet is going to be buy a full set of wheels. Weird. Lube it up. That would be an easy fix. That pads and rotors probably be okay, but this is good drive like this. It's like the hardware's touching the rotor. It's actually though, it's not as rough as it looks.
Well, I mean, it's not the frame, which is great.
Yeah, but the car overall is not as rough as you would think once you get into it. Yeah. It still has a cat. The engine runs great. The interior is not bad.
All stock, pretty much.
I think you got a good deal. And it's got a solid start. Look at the inside of the left front wheel.
Nice.
Very nice.
You let him tell me to drive this?
Oh, a great driver.
I'm an excellent driver.
Yeah, that's good. Come on, come on.
It's not a big deal, but I didn't notice it bent the sway bar.
I just unhooked it.
Oh, you did? Yes. Oh, I thought it was. I just saw this and thought immediately it must have gotten bent.
Oh my God. Let me finish. See, it tore it right here. At least it was up there, not the sides. Now we're gonna have to do that upper arm. Hopefully it'll come out. Come out. Tool truck.
So why is it always the ones that I want to buy tools? At least it's not gear wrench.
What's wrong with gear wrench? That looks factory. That would hurt. See how it looks when I tighten up that lower ball joint.
Paint marker and then 500 lumens. Little fun and ticket.
Can't wait for
Several days later.
Gideon, our second cameraman's wheels here for his 240SX. So I'm mount some tires for him. Covered in soap now. Didn't put my apron on. Alright, well that's my part. I'll have to have one of the guys balance it for me now, because I don't know how to do that. But they're on.
How does this even work? In simple terms.
Simple terms, basically, basically this spins the tire and it's looking for basically areas where it's out of balance as far as what feels like a heavy spot on the other side. And basically after it runs the test and it spins at a certain speed and it understands how big the rim is and how big the tire is, you have to put that in there. It's looking to take whatever information it has and at a certain spot it knows, hey, to balance this setup, put this much weight in ounces at this point on the rim in this place. The last one? Last one, yeah, just being a bug, but I got it. Let's start drifting around, man. This one's broken, this one is bad, and these two are probably going to snap.
17s on this size car, they look just right. Yeah, I agree. Cool. I wish I could help them with the body kit, but it's just too ill-fitting. And it's rubber. If it was fiberglass, I'd know what to do, but I don't know what to do with rubber.
No models do anything to.
Yeah, but it doesn't have, when they do them in fiberglass, they leave an edge on the back so that you can use a panel bonder to hold. This is just flat.
That